Hey everybody, welcome to 100 Seconds on Druid with me, Peter Marshall. I'm joined again by Hellmar Becker. Hellmar, for those who don't know you, would you like to introduce yourself?
Peter, thanks for having me. I'm a developer advocate with Imply. I'm based out of Germany.
Wonderful. I'm starting the timer now. So our topic today is Minio. For those who don't know, what is Minio, Hellmar?
Minio is a open source, free software implementation of an object store that exposes an S3 API.
So tell us about object stores and Druid. How do we use object stores?
We use object stores, first of all, as our own deep storage, as an archive of all data that exists in Druid, but also as a data source for ingestion and also for log files.
So I have come across Minio when I was setting up my Raspberry Pi cluster because I tried to use file stores, I tried to use NFS, I tried to use Windows file shares to get the things to work. What's the advantage? Like, why do we use object stores in Druid?
Object stores have been built at scale for security, for reliability, for scalability, and they are far superior to NFS or Windows file shares for that matter.
So why particularly Minio? What was it that made you write this blog post using Minio?
Well, I picked Minio because it's free and it is one example for an S3 compatible object store. Now, in an enterprise setup, you might be using something else because you might find yourself in a situation where, for privacy reasons or for legal reasons, you cannot use proper cloud storage. You cannot use Amazon's S3, but you still want to use something that is on premise and that works like S3. And you might use a commercial product like EMCs or NetApp storage units, but it works much the same as in my blog. So I picked the free version for my lab. That's all.
Wonderful. Okay, well, that sounds cool. It's good to be able to see a blog post where this is all laid out. It'll be in the description below, so please do go and have a look at it. Thank you very much, Hellmar, for your time today.
Thanks for having me, Peter.
Thank you, everybody. Bye.